today I will be grant welcoming into my channel. It is the Lucky Review channel. If you are blogger, then this video is for you, and any people wants to buy a domain, it is the click for the perfect one. I will be introducing about this is an amazing hosting website. You can get the link in the description. If you want to purchase a domain, then this video is for you. So let's begin with Lucky Review. So I will be starting with each and every point. First of all, I will be showing you some of the best offers are going on the Bluehost. Some of the people are heard about the Bluehost, but some of the people don't know about the Bluehost, and some people are confusing which type of hosting are you buying, or some kind of confusion are there. So let's begin with which all the videos, watch the full videos, so you will be clear cut ideas about the Bluehost and why you are purchasing this, what are the advantage of this one. I will be telling you each and every point. But before starting this video, if you new here, please press the subscribe button, so I will be come up with the new and amazing video. So let's begin. First of all, Bluehosting, the perfect place to the WordPress and any other. Recommended by the WordPress.org since 2005. Free domain for the 1 year. This is the key point of this Bluehost website. Free SLS certificate included. This is an amazing offer, guys. If you're new here, please press the subscribe button. This is the amazing video. One click WordPress install, 24/7 support, starting at the $199 per month. It is the amazing, guys. Special introducing offers, and here you can see the login button. If you click on this, you can get access. First of all, I will be giving you brief information about this website. Offering over the 2 million website worldwide. Here the key point is a 2 million. It's, guys, an amazing. Free hosting plans are there. You can see the introduction, WP process, and 24/7 export support. I have already explained about this point. And next one is the you can contact via the phone numbers, and in a contact information you can get you can also chat over here. So I will be starting with get started. After you clicking the get started, you can see the different plans available on this website. First one is the basic plan, second is a pulse plan, and third one is a choice pulse. The first plan is it is the very cheapest. If you are going for the free hosting, it is not just a manner your blog is running or you can get the more traffic. But when you invest something, suppose let us take one example. If you are going for the any business, means if you put some kind of investment, then you can buy good revenue from that business. Otherwise no meaning. If you doing a website or if you're doing any kind of blogging, then hosting it is the very important part. Hosting and domain both are the important part. If you not purchase a hosting and domain, there is no meaning of blogging. If you guys please press the subscribe button on this information. So first of all, the basic plan, 119 per month. It is the one website, free SSL certificate. I already explained you, and this is the method 50 GB SSD storage, free domain for 1 year. It is the key point. 5 packed domain and 25 subdomain. If you have some kind of budget, then move on to the next position, means Pulse. If you want to buy a Pulse at a $299 per month. Unlimited website, unlimited SSD storage, and free domain for 1 year, unlimited packed domains and unlimited subdomains. If you have this is the recommended by the Bluehost. So all WordPress hosting plan included, means automatic word plan installation, Microsoft 365 available, free domain for 1 year. Guys, please press the subscribe button on that. Never come up this kind of video on YouTube. I will be clear cut idea about the Bluehost. If you new here, please press the subscribe button. I again and again, because I will be come up with a new and amazing video. It's guys amazing, totally recommended by the WordPress since 2005. If you new here or if you don't about the WordPress, please search on the Google. You can get the clear cut idea about the WordPress. 100 of themes available on this platform, means free and premium themes are available from the moment you create your account. Find the WordPress themes and then best presented, means when your blog or any kind of themes or any kind of website is revenue or in the traffic manner. First of all, impression is the keyword to any person. First click and you can see the background and in your mind feelings, and then you can read, because nowadays all the peoples are moving towards the video kind of themes. So you can see on the picture, so one guys is there 24 hours. This is the 199 per month. So I will be just click on the 119 pose, because most of the people are preferred this kind of solution. So after you click in, you can create a new domain, means you can click on this button. First of all, you can see the .com, .in, .co, in, org, net, online, site, website, space, technology, storage, blog, info, co. First of all, I would be recommended you please choose a domain, means .com. First of all, first give you the priority first .com. Otherwise, if it is not available, then move on to the second .in. It is the amazing one. First of all, I create, for an example, I will be typing my daily routine, mydailyroutine.com. Check search available domain, then click on the next button. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. So next will be set up your domain. The domain mydaily.com is not available for registration. Select one of the alternative suggestions below or try you search using a different domain. Means some kind of domains it is not available. Then you can see on proper way which kind of domain is available, because sometimes some kind of spelling are erased or some kind of character are eliminated from the this one. So first of all, my daily routine site available, it is not a preference. mybestdailyroutine.com. So it is the domain, it is quite good. I think I am not purchasing right now, but I have already purchased domain, so that I would be recommended you mybestdailyroutine.com. It's a amazing one. So if you want to buy here, then click on this site. Then this kind of interface are pop up over here. Create your account. The domain mydailyroutine.com is available, so you can fill all the information like first name, last name, businessman, country, street, address, city, state and provision, pin code and phone number and address. After you giving all the information, you can get primary domain registration is free, and package you can see over here, total price and all those things. Payment method, I agree with terms and condition, and you can press the submit button. So I have end up this video. If you guys please press the subscribe button, I again and again repeating, please put a comment, so I will be mention next video review about this product, this website, or anything about the related to videos reviews. So once again I would be explaining whole and each and every point. If you have any doubt, then please put in comments. I will be giving you answer in a short times. And second things, if you want to buy a purchase, if you want to purchase a Bluehosting, then click on the link which is mentioned in the description. Once again, if you want to buy a hosting, then click on the link which is mentioned in the description. Thank you very much for giving your valuable times. Once again, thank you very much and press the subscribe button.